Hey guys, Alden here with SlopePro Roofing. Just wanted to come to you and talk to you real quick about the importance of prompt roof replacement, replacing that roof system before it goes too far and causes a bunch of extra damage. The biggest thing is obviously moisture intrusion. So leaks in the roof or moisture getting into that roof system over time as that roof has worn out and aged past its serviceable life. Obviously, if you're having those leaks, if you're having those moisture issues and it damages or rots the roof deck, which is the wood that the roof is made out of, it becomes much more expensive to perform that roof replacement. So if we go in there and we tear the shingles off and then we have to replace a bunch of wood, it obviously drives the cost of that roof replacement project up significantly. So on any of your newer construction, and by newer construction, I mean anything from 1980 and up, really, your roof deck is going to essentially be made up of one of two materials. It's either going to be plywood, which you can see this is plywood right here, or it's going to be OSB, and this is OSB right here. And so the two principal differences is with the plywood. So what plywood is essentially a bunch of veneers of wood glued and heat pressed together. So what they do is they run a log through a skinner basically, and it cuts off really thin pieces of wood, and they steam those flat, and then they glue those together, in plies, and then they heat and steam press that together and glue that together. That's what makes up a piece of plywood. So with an OSB, as you can see, is essentially a bunch of wood chips that are also pressed and glued together. So the similarity between the two is both of these products, the structural integrity of that wood is actually the glue itself. So anytime you're introducing moisture into these products, whether it's from a lack of ventilation or a roof leak or improper roof installation or whatever the problem is, it breaks down the glue in those products. And so once that glue starts to break down, it might not be technically completely rotted, but as that glue is gone, you're losing the structural integrity of the wood and the hold that wood has on the nail for the shingle itself. So if we pull the wood up, or we pull the roof off and the wood itself is delaminated, we have to replace that to be able to give you a high quality roof that we can stand by and that the manufacturers can stand by for the shingles. So anytime you're letting that go too long, obviously doing a lot of wood replacement will drive the cost up of the roof exponentially. So, if you're not sure how long your roof has been up there or how much longer you've got left, just give us a call. We'd love to come out and do an inspection, tell you exactly what you've got, exactly what you need to do to maintain that roof to make sure you get the most out of it. And then obviously let you know when that roof needs to be replaced, whether it's today, next year, or 10 years down the road, whatever that is. We're going to have that honest conversation with you. So whatever you do, if you think that roof needs attention, please do not put that on the back burner and just let it keep going. It's not going to fix itself, obviously. So give us a call. Let us take care of it. Get out in front of those problems because, proactive roof decisions are always going to be so much cheaper than reactive ones for so many reasons. So anyways, thanks again, guys. Let us know if you have any questions. Give us a call. Let us know how we can help you. Bye.